So one of the questions which I am expecting in this exam and which I have told my students as well for the October-November 2020 exam is related to this question. The influence of Shah Waliullah and were the invasions by the Persians and the Afghans the main reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire? Explain your answer, right? And who was this Robert Clive? Often students fail to recognize that these four marks are really important and they fail to recognize this, and that's why this happens. Okay, so who was Robert Clive? Right? So basically, the major points is that first of all, he was a major general, right? And most importantly, he was the first British governor of the Bengal Presidency. So he is credited for laying the foundation of the British Raj in India. Okay. So he is known as a ruthless commander, right, who helped secure an Indian empire in Britain. Okay, so after the fall of Calcutta, he gathered the forces and forced the Nawab to restore East India Company's privileges in 1756. Okay, so these are the major points that if you add them, you would get good. Of B. Why did Shah Waliullah had a major influence on the revival of Islam? So you would remove this part. This is not important. Nope, nope. This is not important. Okay, then Arabia, not important. His history, no, delete. First reason, he believed that the Muslims were in decline not because of weak leadership but because of the Muslim community. He believed that the Muslims did not have complete knowledge of the Quranic teachings. It is necessary for this is the first point that you can write. If you can elaborate it, you can break it into other parts, right? Secondly, he worked hard to ensure that he translated the Holy Quran into Persian and the languages and soon translated into Islamic. He wrote 51 books. And this is the second one, and this is the third point that you have to add. He provided social justice to the peasants. His most important contribution was to cultivate divinities among Muslims in United. He wrote a letter to the Afghan Shah Abdali, right? This is the most important thing, who were threatening the empire in the Battle of Panipat. So, due to these reasons, and this is why his impact is important. This is the answer to 7 marks question. Now, next, what are invasions by the Persian Afghans the main reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire? Okay, so you have to talk about the different areas on which the decline of the Muslim Empire happened. So, these are the reasons. So, this is part C. You can read the answer. The conquering this. The officer bearers, the Mughal refused to accept new trends. This is the other one. Jagirdars were squeezing too much revenue from the peasants. Rulers were busy. Industrial revolution had taken place in West. After the death of Aurangzeb, his grandson throne lavish expenditure with these morals. Marathas, Nadir Abdali, right? So we would be saying at the end that no, there were other reasons as well. So this caused the fall of the Mughal Empire. Okay. I hope that you guys have understood this. This is pretty detailed.